So in this video, we're going to go through a couple more examples of simplifying algebraic fractions. So it's really just about getting the order right here. So for the first example, we have 3x to the minus 2 all squared times by 4x to the minus 5 all cubed divided by 6x to the minus 8 all cubed. So deal with each bracket first. So with our first bracket we have 3 squared, which is 9. Then x to the minus 2 squared is x to the minus 4. So minus 2 times 2. Then we have 4 cubed. So 4 squared is 16, so 4 cubed is 64. Then x to the minus 5 cubed is x to the minus 15. Then we have, in the denominator, 6 cubed. Now, what's 6 cubed? You might know that one. It's about 6 cubed is 216. Don't be afraid to use your calculator on these ones. It's really about getting the steps down. So 216. Then we've got x to the minus 8 cubed. So minus 8 times 3 is minus 24. So x to the minus 24. Okay, so in the numerator we have 9 times 64 is 576. So 576, then x to the minus 4 times x to the minus 15. Minus 4 take away 15, because it's minus 4 plus minus 15 there. So that's minus 19. So x to the minus 19 over 216 x to the minus 24. So 576 divided by 216 on my calculator is 8/3. So we'll have 8/3. Then we have minus 19, take away minus 24, so plus 24, so 5. So x to the 5. So minus 19, take away the minus 24 is the 5. So 8/3 x to the 5 is our answer. So number 2, we have 2x to the 4 all to the minus 3 times by 4x to the 5 all to the minus 2 divided by 8x to the 6 all to the minus 2. So first of all, 2 to the minus 3. Now you can do that on your calculator if you like, but remember the minus sign means 1 over, so it's 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1 over 8. Then we have x to the 4 to the minus 3. So 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. So x to the minus 12. Then we have 4 to the minus 2. So the minus sign means 1 over. So it's 1 over 4 squared, which is 1 over 16. Then x to the 5 to the power of minus 2. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. In the denominator, we have 8 to the minus 2, which is 1 over 8 squared, so 1 over 64. Then x to the 6 to the minus 2. 6 times minus 2 is minus 12, so x to the minus 12. Now in the numerator, we have 1/8 times by 1 over 16. So 8 times 16 is 128, so we have 1 over 128. X to the power of, so we've got x to the minus 12 times x to the minus 10, so minus 12 plus negative 10, or minus 12 take away 10 is minus 22. Now you might be going, well, can we just cancel the x to the minus 12 here? Yes, you can, okay? Because x to the minus 12 is a factor of the numerator and the denominator. So you could do it that way as well. I'm just going to go through this process in this way. And the denominator, we've got 1 over 64 x to the minus 12. So we have 1 over 128 divided by 1 over 64. So there's a good opportunity to try and type that into your calculator. You should get 1/2. Then x to the minus 22 divided by x to the minus 12, minus 22, take away minus 12 is minus 22 plus 12, and so that's minus 10. So we have 1/2 x to the minus 10.